Good morning, everybody. This is MJ James. Happy Sunday to each and every one of us here in Celebi. And for those followers that I have at sa mga future followers pa, this is my Facebook page, Angeli Portum. Please do add me up if you get some time. Also, dun sa mga iba ko pang followers here in Celebi, maraming pong salamat. I'll make sure to get some time to follow you back and watch all of your videos and also engage into all of your videos. All ha, as in lahat, hanggang sa huli, sabi nga nila. Thank you, and I'm gonna be looking forward into growing with you guys here in Celebi. Also, thank you sa mga taga South Koreans. I know that probably most of you, they don't understand that much Tagalog. I'll make sure that we will have English subs on our videos. And that's it. Thank you. Happy Sunday. Have a great day, everybody.